It's wonderful, even though this is your first visit to the Geelong Technology Precinct, you've been an incredible supporter of Deakin, particularly in our endeavors in India in your formal role. So on behalf of the University and the Geelong community, I'd like to warmly thank you for opening the Geelong Technology Precinct redevelopment or proof of concept building, and we gratefully acknowledge the Victorian State funding that supported this facility. The proof of concept building is a critical addition to the unique capacity that we're building at Warren Palms at Deakin. It creates dedicated space to bring together leading researchers from our Institute for Technology Research and Innovation with industry partners in a 21st century sort of foundry, to explore new ideas, to develop solutions to industry-led problems, and to test novel innovations and inventions. Our institute currently houses exceptional instrumentation and test beds for materials characterization, microscopy, fabrication, and early-stage manufacture. This, coupled with the practical know-how of our scientists and the new proof-of-concept space for industry engagement, provides the capacity for a complete discovery through application for materials for manufacture research facility. At Deakin, we're very proud of our cross-disciplinary research teams, broadly covering materials and fiber sciences, bio and nanotechnology, and intelligent systems, especially of our partnerships that they've developed with companies like C-Fusion, Hard Technologies, and Chemgenics, and the collaborations with institutions like CSIRO, DSTO, and a number of CRCs and international partners. As you've heard, our plans for growing our collaborative engagement include new developments, 2 new buildings, including the carbon fiber research pilot plant. These are extremely exciting developments that will really move the GTP to a different level on the international scale. These endeavors will permit co-location of CSIRO's fiber sciences team and will include the construction of a $28 million carbon fiber research plant, which is being supported by the Victorian government with a recent $10 million investment under the Victorian State Science Agenda. There's been enormous international interest in our growing carbon fiber research already, and this gives us real confidence that this endeavor will be important in attracting carbon fiber production and carbon fiber product manufacturing to Australia, and especially to Victoria, and perhaps in the future even creating a renaissance in manufacturing for Geelong. Thus, we have real hopes that the GTP and Deakin will become, as Minister Allen suggested, a real jewel in Victoria's crown, perhaps not encrusted with emeralds and rubies, but rather with nanocrystalline structures, carbon and natural fibers, magnesium foam composites, and titanium-based designer materials. These are the strong, lightweight materials that will contribute to green manufacturing of the future and are a significant focus of research at Deakin. Thus, we applaud the decision of the Victorian State Government in contributing to and supporting our activities at the GTP. In closing, I'd like to acknowledge some of the people who have brought this idea to fruition. Notably, Professors Peter Hodgson and Shungai Wang have contributed to the ongoing vision of having a dedicated space for industry collaboration within the GTP in their roles as Director and Deputy Director of the Institute for Technology Research and Innovation. Professor David Stokes, my predecessor as DVCR, also played an important role in developing the funding application, and former GTP manager John Paxton and current manager Chris Curran, as well as Deakin's facility management team, contributed enormously to the successful and very rapid construction of the new proof-of-concept building. I also acknowledge once again the strong support of our industry partners such as VCAM. Finally, I'd like once again to thank Minister Allen and the federal, state, and local government representatives who kindly set aside their time in a very demanding schedule to be here today, including the Honourable Michael Crutchfield, Member for South Barwon, and Mayor John Mitchell. Thank you. I also thank the members of G21, Geelong Manufacturing Council, and other members of the Geelong community for their continuing support. So I'd like to now invite all of you to join us for morning tea and a look at the proof of concept building. Thank you.